Hey guys, what's up? 1/4 delay note. Yeah, that trick is very famous actually. Everybody uses it. From pop to metal, and these are the examples.
2 o'clock this morning, the sister come a calling. One, that's one. That's not.
And you know what? It's super easy to do. So let's jump to Pro Tools and I will teach you how you can use this technique. Plus, I will teach you a little trick to get this effect even more wider, okay? So follow me. Alright, so on today's video, the band is called APXDK and they sound like this.
Yep. One more.
Sick, right? So this is another song from the demo we did like a month ago, and this is the part I want to do this 1/4 delay. No, this part, okay? And this sound like this. Listen. As you see, I want to make that trick here only, okay? And the point is, I need to find the BPM. That's the first step. In Pro Tools, how you find the BPM is super easy. Well, you have even apps, you can do that on your iPhone or your Android. But in Pro Tools, it's super easy. So let's go to the transport. It's Command 1. And well, I got it set up right there, but let's do this from scratch. Okay. So you need to disengage the conductor track. Okay, and also make you need to click here. You will see this green is selected, and let's find out with the letter T on your keyboard. Okay. So as you see, it's 79 BPM. So let's go to the delay, okay? All right, let's use the regular delay of Pro Tools have. This is the mod delay number 3. And so 79, right? Let's take it off this. Wait a second, no. This guy, bye, okay. So 79, not sync. Let's put here 79 BPM. Let's do a quarter. Let's do link these two guys because this is stereo. One more time. Okay. And then those are the milliseconds that delay is gonna work. So listen this again. Here. Ah, sick, right? Automatically, yeah, you have that delay in the tempo with the song. All right. But if you're in Pro Tools and you don't have this delay, and then you have like a different kind of delay, hey man, but my delay doesn't have this kind of feature. Check this out. This is super easy. You can go to Google, and I have this already. You see this delay and frequency calculator. You can put this delay 1/4 note calculator, I mean, and that was 79 calculate, and then they give you all this for all the notes. I mean, 1/4, 1/8, 1/16, 1/32, and you see this number is the same as, let's go back to producer, this one, 759. Well, here is 494, but Pro Tools, of course, is put 5 because it's close to 5. Duh. So yeah, you don't need this specific kind of plugin, and that's the reason I have this one. No, sorry, this guy already here. Let's mute, bypass this guy, and let's do it. So for example, this is the Mackie DSP delay. This is the EC300. Super cool. You have a tape delay, you have a digital delay, and analog delay. Okay, different kind of flavors. Pretty sick. So here was 759.5. Here's gonna be 759.5. All right. Let's do the feedback again, right there, 100%. A little bit of saturation, sure, why not? Let's see how it sounds here. Okay.
Israel, your thing, destroy.
I don't know if you know this, but sounds in stereo, yes, but I want this even more wider, okay? So this is a trick. You need to add only 10 more milliseconds, could be less or more, it doesn't matter. That's gonna make the trick even more wider. Check this out. So it's 769.5. Boom. Okay. Check this out how it sounds. Let me bypass this because I want this only in that.
Your turn. Israel, your thing, destroy.
Huh? I don't know if you feel it. It's even more wider, and then that's making it sound like a better, Okay, one more time. Let's go back to the original numbers. 7.9.5. Bypass this. Okay, listen.
Your turn. Israel, your thing, destroy. Your turn. Israel, your thing, destroy.
So this is the trick. Find the BPM. Okay, you can use it with if your plugin have the calculator, even better because it's much easier. If not, go to the Google and check it out. On that web page, all the description is gonna be down there. Okay, on the link description is gonna be down there. Okay, and and change the BPM only 10 milliseconds. It could be on the left or the right. It doesn't matter. It could be less or more. It doesn't matter either. Okay, and you will get like a pretty cool wider delay. Told you, right? Pretty easy. So, and that's all for today. If you really like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, to give me a like, to share this, and also to comment because I want to know what you think about this trick, okay? Bye guys, see ya.